Yeah, YouTube. Good night. Once again, me dep on the thing here, and I don't know anything. So big up all of my subscriber them and all of my fans them. So may I say, easy the girls and baby. And all of my newcomers them. Newcomers, subscribe. You get what me I say? Yeah man, big up all of my Caribbean people them. Jamaica, Belize, Trinidad. So may I say, St. Martin, St. Kitts, Barbados, Bahamas. The whole Caribbean. You see me I say, yeah man, and as me say, Bahamas, big up Babsy, you don't know she thing hype already. Don't know a thing go. You see me I say, and if you don't know Babsy, just go up on YouTube and Google her and look her up on YouTube. You don't know she do her thing. You see me I say, she come from Bahamas, I don't know a thing say. Yeah man, so big up all of my people them in the US. People them in Canada, England, you see me I say, anywhere me pop up, you see me I say, yeah man, anywhere in the world me pop up. Africa, you're large, you see me I say, big up on yourself. Yeah, so we have an issue. We have a little issue going on right now. It's a issue, it's a Jamaica issue. You see me I say, it's a Jamaica issue going on. It's a worldwide issue still, but you know, Jamaican take up a thing on a level right now where it kinda hurt me and it kinda left me in a one spot where right now me just a think. So yo, what's gonna be tomorrow if these guys, you know, turn in big man where if you be the man for your teaching, the younger generation and them doing crazy things. That's what I say. So it kinda they mess with my brain a little bit. It's me I say more while. You know, so even me living in America right now, when me fi go back to Jamaica and think, me have to start think defensive and stuff like that and protection wise. You get what I say? Yeah, but I come up on a video. Somebody send me a video. My sister sent me a video in my WhatsApp with this brother here. Him have a woman America, his wife, and his wife file for him from Jamaica and bring him in the state. And then, I don't know what happened, but his brother here kill a lady. So I deal with stab her up and cut her throat and thing like that. And some gruesome thing where no man nothing do them thing that to woman, you know. Cause when you start destroy woman, you know, you destroy mother earth. You see me I say, cause woman and mother, you know, you can't destroy mother. You see me I say, when you destroy mother, you destroy the next generation. You see me I say, and I in idea, if we go get up and kill her for one another, you see me I say, we now go, all of we go dead out. If you check it out. You see me, cause the younger man them we fear produce, them a kill themselves and a kill them own people and a kill them woman and them picnic and them thing. I come hear about another incident at Jamaica where I think it was last week where a brother killing woman and the woman daughter. So me I say, so it kinda messed up. You know say kinda messed up, you know say we Jamaican a face them thing there. That's what I say where. Cause me as a conscious youth you know. That's what I say see all of them thing there and we might do some YouTube video and the thing nah circulate to them. You know, cause when I talk consciousness, people don't really want to appear negative. Cause when I do the positive video them, the people them not share it. But when I do some video where when I do some video where I deal with some vibes thing like some controversial thing. So I say you know, people that share them, they may get much 1,000 views. It's me I say, but we may talk some positive thing, you know, we can educate the youth them. It's me I say, them not share a video, and that's a problem I have right now. It's me I say, so anybody get a video, yeah, just please share the video and tell your friend who you share to subscribe. You see what I say? If you're not subscribed, you subscribe as well. You get what I say? Cause we need the video for circulate. Alright. Another thing what I want to say again. You see, when I was a kid that growing up, when I was a little youth, everybody in a family surrounding are, a matter of fact, in the whole Jamaica, mostly whole Jamaica, everybody like have respect for them elders, you know what I'm saying? But it thing gone away, because I see one little boy that threatening teacher in a school, and I'll do another video that can get the clip with the live video. You see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do another video there still. What me say right now, we back in our days, cause you know, so when I was a kid, that was in the 80s. You see what I say? So back in our days, we have respect to the elders. You know what I mean? We never used to talk to the elders. Now we respect the elders. Any elders see me on the street can groom me like my parents. You see what I say? Then can pull me up and put me together. You see what I'm saying? And as everybody knows, say, back in our days, you used to have a talk, say, it's a village raise a kid, you know what I mean? And an idea, at them the way them grow. You see me I say, a village raise a kid. So, if me I go somewhere, and my neighbor see me, and he stop me and say where I'm going, and he find out, say, me never get no permission from my parents to go, that neighbor will turn me back, and me have to go back. And when my parents come, me I go get my ass whipped said way. You see me I say? And them style, you know what I mean? So an idea, we grew up on a different principle. You see me I say? Alright. The thing change because you can't see a man pick me on the road and talk to him too hard. Because even same parents right now, they come and want, you know, things with you. You see me I say sometimes a kid they on the road and ma do a lot of things, you know what I mean, and then at the end of the day, you can't say nothing to him. You see me I say? You can't say nothing to him. Because I got a problem that will cause. And another thing again, these fathers been leaving their kids and then play the father role, especially with their son. You have to be around your son. You have to be a father. You know what I mean? Because these guys, them weak. These guys, them weak. You know, so them do weak things. You know, they can take the pressure, the real pressure what a man should face. You get what I say? Because a man come to face pressure and a woman come to feel pain. You see me I say, man come to face pressure and woman come to feel pain. So if you don't know them things there, when the pressure come to you, you're not going to know how to deal with it. But when you have a father in your life now, you see me I say, when you have a father in your life now, your father now go make you know. So yo, that's how it go, you know what I mean? You come to face pressure. I learn that. You see me I say, because I grow with my daddy. So the end idea, me get to realize that this brother, you know. But hold on, let me make you hear. Me have one voice note. Me have one voice note, and me I go make you all hear the voice note.
Stallion Nation. This is Jermaine Jones, aka.
Hold on, I'm sorry about that. Hold on, just now.
Stallion Nation. This is Jermaine Jones, aka better known as Fresh Cash. And this might be the last time you guys ever hear from me because a sad very sad and a very perturbed encounter just happened between me and my wife. And I fucking snap. When I say I snap, I snap. Wani, I don't remember your real name, but you go by here as God bless or God something. I mean, reason over and over. I try to walk away from the situation numerous of time, but tonight I couldn't do it. It overcome me and the devil power me. The Lord did not try me and I walk away, I try to walk away, but the devil keep coming at me and the devil overcome me to succumb. So this might be the last time y'all ever hear from me, but they sift me. Right, I might be in a grave tomorrow, I might be in a jail, but this is the last time y'all gonna hear from me. I want to know, say, yo, Fresh Cash, love the Stallions Nation, Bailey, AJ, O'Reilly, Steve, Kemar, Jay, Poochie, Blacks, President, every fucking body. The ladies, them big up on themselves, but it might be the last time when I ever hear from me. So, with this little time when me have, if I get this back now, so I can give me a call for hear my voice the last time. Give me a call because this is going to be the last time when I ever hear from me. And much love, much respect, and everything. You understand? But Cash was here. I'm going to make a mark. But this is it. It's my destiny. It's my journey right here. Love is Stallions Nation. Wake up on yourself. One love. Shock. The Vibes crew. Big up yourself, my general. Daya. You understand? Gavin. Matumbe. Here was a mix up in name. Chin. The whole works. Big up on the damn self. Tropical team. Jamal. Jamel. Big up on yourself. Big up the whole Georgia Supreme Cricket League. It was a pleasure and an honor playing with you guys and serving. Mr. Skinner. Big up yourself, MCC. Mark. Sheldon. Jimmy. Junior. The whole works. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. But this be my last note to them want to know, so yo. You always got their own true spirit, strength, and health. Bless up on yourself. Alright? It was a pleasure knowing you all and serving with you all. Alright?
Jano Star. You know, say after killing wife, he made that video there. He made more video, cause me hear more video. He make another video when I talk to his mother. Yeah, he also make another video. He was talking to his mother and telling mother say, boy, I'm sorry if you do this and stuff like that, but she not gonna hear from him. Just like how I say, yo, you not gonna hear from him. But at the end of the day, that brother is weak. You see me I say? Cause he kill a lady and then he start cry. But at the end of the day again, I'm telling you that thing. You see, the street life, I want funny life, you know. Because in the street, you have whole heap of style and whole heap of little law in the street where them work by. You know, like a man will say, yo, you can't make a woman punk you out certain way, you can't take certain thing. You get what I say? And at the end of the day, if you follow the street will send you to nothing, you know what I mean? And the street can make you be famous as well. You get what I say? So at any idea now, you have to know how to balance it on that scale and know how to deal. You get what I say? Because when I go to high school, when I go to high school, I used to say me a girl is something, and in Jamaica back in the days, we have a thing where I said, no girl can't spit for me. Because so when a girl, back in the days in Jamaica, they have a style where girl spit for you when you don't like you or him diss you or you want to look at hype on them way there. And that's nasty. As I say, people still do them things still. But I an idea. This girl, I like this girl, and think I may always fool around her. You see me I say? And I don't know. That day they may fool around and the girl spit for me, brethren. And me always say, no girl can spit for me because I follow my street. I say, no girl can spit for me and them things. And the girl spit for me there. And at the end of the day, when it happen, I say, John, I can't hurt that girl because I really like her. You see me? And then at the end of the day, she realized that shit, she do that to me. You know what I mean? But she won't rape me too, but I don't know why she do that. You get what I'm saying? But she already take out in kerchief and wipe your fast, you know what I mean? And tell me say she's sorry and thing like that. I don't know how it happened, but it just happened. I say, I don't do nothing. And then I learn something right there, so I realize, say, yo, you can't follow a street. You can't follow a street, because if you follow a street, you're going to put yourself where you'll lose all the life. You get what I say? Well, based on how me hear this brother at the talk now, he must follow a street. Because me and my big up some whole heap of you, like some crew them are good par with them and thing. And I end the day. When he reach down to the last name them, he start cry. You see me I say, so them that I'm real bridging them or probably I'm brother them or something like that. I don't know. But I end the day. What me get from this, the brother it look like him when they follow the street and him weak. It look like him never grow with a father. Because him do a video to his mother and never say nothing about daddy. You see me I say, I always talk about my daddy and my mother and my father. My mother and my father break up, but at the end of the day, my mother and my father still raise me. You get what I say? So even though them break up, me still have a mother and a father. Because if you can get your children and you and your wife break up or your girlfriend break up or whatever. But at the end of the day, if two are not conscious, you can raise those kids, you know what I mean? And the kids now go absent of a father, absent of a mother. You get what I say? But when time the single parent part, it put a it mess around the mental part of them, them have a mental problem. You get what I say? And that leads to all of these crimes and stuff like that. You get what I say? Cause you see, when a man, especially a man now, when him grow without a father and he have a father for all, teach him how to be strong, you know what I mean? Because as what I said, a brother they're weak like a rat. We say weak like a rat. You see me I say? Him weak. You see me I say? So that's why him do that. Because me I hear say, me not get a good details of it because it happened in Atlanta, Georgia. You see what I'm saying? Me live in a way of Texas. You see me I say? So me not get no real detail. I have friend in Atlanta, but me not get to link up and to get a better news source. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, because I'm busy for the last about month and a half, I'm real busy and stuff like that, and thing them a pop up and but the one that I say, the one that pop up couple days ago, I say, yo, I have to do it. You get what I say? I have to do that one here, you see me? So that's why I do it, but me not get a full, me just get the picture and the video. You see what I say? I mean the voice note. You get what I say? So me have to do it. Alright. What I say now? All your man out there, young man, big man, young man, let me tell you something. Because I have to put a little message in that video here. I not go just do the video and just make somebody hear a voice note and that's it. I have to put a little message in our video. If me now go put a message in our video, me now go bother the video. You understand? All of you man out there, young man, teenager, big man, in our 30s, 40s, 50s, to kaya some loose man in them 50s, you know. You see me I say 20 odd, 20, teenager, 30s, cause the brother here 30 year. I think my 30 year. You see me I say? So, all of you man out there, brethren, Jamaican, and not Jamaican alone, anybody who watch a video, I want to share a video. You see me I say, yo, here what I want to do, man, and if you be strong and learn to walk away. Woman have two tongue, brethren. You see me I say, you can't chase more than woman. Woman will tell you hot words. You see me I say, and woman will do things to hurt your feelings as well. Because a woman, we know say you love her. And you might do something to her where she take it as a big disrespect. And he might tell her some hot word and he might not move you, but at the end of the day, you know what she will go do? She will all go cheat upon you just to frig up your mates. You see me I say, and based on what I hear, a woman will have a next man upon him and stuff like that. So at the end of the day, he mess up his meds. And him just said him have to kill a woman for that. You see me I say, a real man nah go do that. A real man go just laugh and say, you know what? Enough woman out there. Because right now, woman, enough of that man, you know. Woman, enough of that man. Enough of man, them dead. Enough of them, they are prison, brethren. You see me I say, so when you see a woman, where you say you love, and she gonna give her body to somebody else. It hurt you, yes, but just walk away, brethren. Move on. You see me I say, just move on. You see me I say, and when you walk away, it's best if you not see her for a period of time. You see me? So, alright, so for instance, you live with the woman and you're not mash up. Move away. You know, see her. You know, try go somewhere you're not going to see her for 1 year. You see, if under 1 year they're up, you're good. You see me I say? And when me and a woman break up, it don't take me 1 year for me get over it. You see me I say? Because me learn them things from me a youth. You see me I say? A real man. A real man. Me have a gallus mentality. You get what me I say? So I end the day. That no mean to say me go cheat on the woman and me have, you know. But at the end of the day, me have a mindset where me can expect anything to happen when I deal with that woman. Just know say you can expect anything when you deal with that woman and anything come. You just that the time when you go get tough now and know say alright. You go bear this. So me I say you go bear this. Right now, me mature in a certain way that's if my woman get up and left me and now are gone with another man. Not even alcohol me not go drink. Nor smoke or nothing. I remember one time when that reached me, I smoke cigarette what I never used to do. You get what I say? And drink one whole heap of liquor. And now, can't do that again. You see me I say? Me get over it by telling myself, any problem I have, I not drink no alcohol, I not smoke no cigarette or nothing like that. And then in idea, if me have a problem, I not drink nothing. In time see me I drink, like when I see me I drink a beer now. Like when I drink a beer now, it just don't know say yo, it's just a natural thing. That's a normal vibe. You know, I hold a one beer. You see me I say, but anytime no problem come to me, I don't want to see no alcohol, nothing like that. You see me I say? So I so come me know say yo, me a real man. You know what I say? I tell all of the man them out there. You know, be strong, brethren. You see me I say, woman weak. Woman are the weak part of we. You know? You see me I say? And in idea right now, it come like the woman them stronger than the man them right now. You see me I say? So it kind of they turn upside down. Everything I turn upside down right now. So the man them will have to be a man, brethren, and strong. Be a man and strong. You can't You have more strength man a woman. You can't put your strength on a woman and hurt a woman then way there. You see me I say? You go feel hurt, yes, when she go do certain thing, but kiss your teeth, man, and walk away, brethren. Just say, and just walk away. You see me I say? Drink a bottle of water or something. You see me I say? Take a shower. Take a shower, man, and just put on something nice. You see me I say? And just jump in a car if you have a car and just go on somewhere. Go on somewhere nice. Have a drink or eat some food or something or talk with some people or something like that and just get that thing there for you. You know, because you don't exit the environment already. You come out of that area there. You know, you just get everything off of your meds. You see me I say? You get everything off of your meds, man. And you're good. You see me I say? And just hold it. You see me? Because, yo, I hold it for a woman there on earth, you know. And put this in your head. When a woman gone, there's a lot more. Prettier, sexier. You see me I say? Woman come in all different form. You have some girl hot. You have some girl rich. You have some girl, you see me, normal. You have all kind of girl out there. And you have to know what you want. You see me I say? Them did enough. You see me I say? Enough them did it. So, you see me I say? You can't be weak. Can't be weak. And you hurt me, you know. You hurt me if you know so that brother and just kill a woman just like that. You know, it hurt me feeling. And you know, say a woman a Jamaican and the brother a Jamaican again and the woman come over here, set himself and file for him. You see me I say, and then he go kill her just like that. You know what I mean? And if the woman would know, he would have never filed for him, you know. But the woman love him. You see me I say, that's why he do it. And probably come over America and feel say, yes, a better rose. Another thing what I want to know. You know, come America and think say you a better rose. Probably come here and want to work and want to sit around. Because you hear him talk like him a gangster. Probably want to come they roam around with one whole heap of man and don't want to work and thing, and the woman might have say, yo, me need you to help pay bills, I need for work, and probably no want to do that, and probably she just say, you know what, I'll go back to my first time, man. That's what I say, because I'm work and everything, and then now, in chip. That's what I say, because I'm saying snap, and go kill the woman. That's what I say, something like that, you know, because I see one brother, I think, remember for last year or early this year, a brother on Facebook, and he shoot a old man on Facebook and saying snap. And he went there with this woman, but he went there gamble and wasting money, and the woman saying can't bother with this, and the woman left him. And he saying snap and kill one man on Facebook live. You get what I say? So I any idea something similar in this situation. Because a brother must come here and want to work. Bridge, let me tell you, it's America. All of them foreign country. A bills. You have to pay. If you have work night and day, if you pay your bills, if you have a little bit of money, because I remember when I come here, I work $12 an hour. And I just start working. And a little bit of money that. You see me have much picnic and bills to pay. So you know what I do? And night and day I work. Because I say, yo, I need a truck. And I need my tool them. Because I don't really want to work with nobody. I want to do my own shit. You see me I say? So night and day. You see me I say? Yeah. And Marley Grade go on New Orleans. And my family gone. And my youth them, everybody gone. And me alone dead there. Because I say, yo, I don't want to left, go spend a week at New Orleans and come back. And I lose my work. You see me I say, because I'm a chuck money I save. And night and day. You see me till I buy my truck. You see me I say, I don't pay no car note, I don't pay car note, I don't deal with them something. You see me a cash truck, my truck broke down with there, $3 grand I spend on it. You see me I say we're there. And set him back and everything up and running nice again. Come like I want brand new shit me have right now. You see me I say, so I end idea. I end idea. You can't come here so and feel say a better rose because and another thing now, you see some people they are foreign and them are send name brand this and name brand that will give them a Jamaica and money and everything. And then feel say yeah, foreign a better rose and people work hard but through their love, you know. And you say, yo, me want a shoes now, you know, say Jamaica hard. And you say, yo, how much of these shoes are you stack a box or a barrel and send it go give them. You see me I say? Or money or whatever. And then feel say a better rose, a better rose. Because here you have to do it now. You have to you stay so boom now, you stay so boom and you work on money, you take out your rent money and you just save a little thing and you say, alright. Brother, when I'm saying want to help, you see me I say, I might say, alright, no slip want 5 bills out of my savings and say, and deal with that or want 2 bills or whatever and deal with that. And when you get the money down there now, you might say, yo, I will for money this. You see me I say, you might say, you think it easy, you know? Smart, and he have some more friend or more family and he might ask everybody and he might send it. And it feel easy to him. Because him just get the money. You get what I say? But at the end of the day, all of those people they send the money if you work hard. If you send it. So then come now with that mentality they know when they come a foreign and think say, yo, then go just come and sit around and the woman or stuff just work and mind them. You know, work like that, brethren. Bills did it. Bills every month. Right now, first a month that come up here now. You have to pay your rent. You have light bill. You have water bill. You have insurance. You have all kind of bill for pay, brethren. You have to pay them. You understand? You have to pay them. So at the end of the day, man come now and glad now and say, yo, go do some work. And him probably no want to do no work. And the man say, fuck you and get back in first time, man. Because everything went fine with the first time, man. And he say, yo, pussy, I kill me, I'll kill you and thing. You see me I say? And then he might make some little voice note. I got some fool, I cry. You see me I say? I cry. They might fuck him up in a prison. They might fuck him up. America prison or ramp. They might fuck him up in prison. Real wicked. And me say a death penalty I go get to. So you don't know. And then I go just get death penalty right away. You go serve some time. Then go slave you out. And then go do all kind of things to you, you know that. Mash up your mates when you go there. So me I tell you that. So when you come in this country, and a matter of fact, even Jamaica, when you love a woman them brethren. More every man love a young youth them brethren. And you love a woman them. You see me? And you kill a woman them brethren. And you beat a woman them or nothing like that. You see me I say? That's my message to you. You see me? Because I'm tired for hear them news. Tired. Tired for hear them news. We don't want to hear them news. Woman them too beautiful and sweet. We don't want to lose them. You see me I say? We don't want to lose them, brethren. You see me? So, yo. Boy, I don't know what to say again. But all I man them out there, love you woman them, brethren. And when you look at confusion start, just walk away, man. But you see, by the time you go to the road and come back, she dep on a different meds. Calm down and everything. And then you come back and everything alright again. Or he might turn him back gear for tonight, but tomorrow you're good. I saw a thing go with woman. I saw them make up. Then we talk. That's what I say. But then we talk and they might not have the intention to hurt you. But they want to talk their mind, you know. So sometimes you have to make them talk their mind. Walk away. So I say just walk away. And you'll be alright. So I say. Because that me do, you know. Me as a man, me walk away all the while. You see me? Yes, me never go to prison yet or jail. And woman always in a things with me. I try for in a things. I mean just walk away with them. And then when I come back, everything alright. But when I follow some man and box down here and lick it down or whatever, I go in a jail. I have body record, all kind of thing start happening to me. You know, when I could have just walk away and tomorrow we nice again. You see me? So that's how it work. You see me? So all of my ladies them out there, Love you. And all I ladies them, just don't rush going to any man like that. And all the young girl them said, we don't rush going to any man. Try to feel out that person, try to find out how that person I think and how that person set up. Find out in friend them who we hang out with and all those things before you run go into that person. You see me I say? Because there's a lot of killer out there looking for soul. You understand? And like them I work for devil or something. You see me I say? And as when I start the video with, me I say the street have a lot of crazy law in the street where some man follow some look a street law and I do some crazy thing. And then when they done them I cry. So all of my ladies them, go back like from back in the day style. Don't jump in anything. You see me I say, study the person. See how he move. See if him is a real man. See if him love to work. See if him is a ladies gentleman and stuff like that. You see me I say, you see when you say a man is a ladies gentleman, you don't know say the man then now go jump for hurt you. But if you see me, he might move some raggy way where not suitable for you and you're not comfortable. Nobody take no chance with him. You get what I say? Because there's a lot of killer out there. So all my ladies them, when you just slow it down. When you not deal with somebody, slow it down. Know a person, know him good. Test him. Give him test. You see me? So when you give him test, you will know what I'm up to. And you will know, say, alright, you're not the type for me, I have to leave. Can't go no further with this. You get what I'm saying? That's how you have to do it. You see me? I say, so all of my people, them, big up on yourself. And all of my newcomer, them, subscribe. You know what I say? That's all I have to say right now on this video. So I love all of my people, them. You see me? I say, all the ladies, them. All of the strong man, them out there. Pass on the message to the younger one, them. And, I make we build a firm generation. You see me I say, teach the younger youth them to become a man. Because a lot of women are grow them kids alone. The father them gone. So in the neighborhood, all of the real man them in the neighborhood, you see a single man with his son, help grow the youth. You get what I say? And teach him consciousness and teach him what you can teach him. You get what I say? Can teach him, any skill you have, you help teach him and, give him encouragement to move on in life. You get what I say? And that we need to do. You see me I say? Because I continue to do them things there. You see me? I now go to the road and say, I look at you, I do something wrong, I'm not talk to him. You see me I deal with, talk to them. You see me I say, because we need a better world, brethren. And we need a better Jamaica. You understand? And we need to protect the woman, them, brethren. You see me? We need to protect Mother Earth. You see me I say, that me I tell you. So like and share. You see me I say, comments. Leave an opinion in the comment section. You see me I say, one love. You see me I say, I'm out.